Here locally, look at this nice little pop of thunderstorms here hitting right through the heart of Harris County, right in town. So these are really heavily populated areas and really highly populated freeways that everybody's traveling. So this, when you see some of the red on the radar, that is actually blinding rain. You have to keep that in mind. Even as you're driving for the morning commute, some of the lightning that you're seeing as well, that's going to be embedded in some of these thunderstorms throughout the day as well. So we have cold temperatures, and we're also tracking not only rain, but some thunderstorms. Again, some of these thunderstorms are going to be capable today of probably producing a quick 1/2 to 1 inch of rain, but I do think over the next 24 hours, most locations will pick up about 1 inch or 2 inches. So at times, some heavy rain, exactly what we're seeing right now. Notice the winter weather advisory here that's shaded in purple for areas to our north. They are already waking up this morning to some freezing rain and some sleet. You can see why. 24 in Dallas, 22 in Abilene, 15 right now in Amarillo. So this cold Arctic air that's in place will continue to move on southward. Now, even though the big airport, that's what that 41 is showing this morning, it's going to stay that way throughout the day. So coats and umbrellas here for your Thursday. This is only the beginning of this big Arctic air mass that's going to continue to push in across the state. I'm fast forwarding until Monday. So this is Monday at 4 o'clock. High temperatures on Monday across the state, 27 in Houston, 11 in Dallas, 2 degrees for the high temperature in Amarillo come Monday afternoon. So Monday, President's Day, will probably be the best threat that we're going to see the chance for ice, sleet, or even snow. I'm going to show you that here in a second, but let's talk about the rain for today. I'll keep you prepared for today. You want to keep the umbrella handy. Notice the scattered showers on and off even through this evening. Some of the showers want to linger with this upper level disturbance through early tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, most of the rain tries to exit the area, but Friday is going to be another kind of dreary, sloppy, soggy day with maybe a light shower here or there, but temperature staying cold. Fast forward to overnight from Saturday into Sunday. We try to dry things out, and then when this upper level low combined with that cold Arctic air that's in place comes together, Sunday night into Monday, check out what happens. So the purple, the white's indicating snow. The pink there is saying anything from sleet, freezing rain, or ice to be expected, and that works across the entire state, including here. We may be tracking some of that all the way to Galveston. So this is going to be a big portion of southeast Texas, including in Houston. At this point, I can say we're going to continue to update the forecast. So at this point, temperatures are going to be really cold Monday into Tuesday, and that is going to support at least some form of ice or freezing rain. As far as that snow accumulation, that's going to be tough, but areas northwest, it looks like maybe some light accumulation is possible. Second system actually on the way for Wednesday into Thursday here. So this cold air, as it moves in, it's here today, but it's going to set up to stay here almost over the next 10 days. We're going to be this cold over the next 10 days. Snowfall forecast. Let me get you into Monday evening. Remember, the best chance for some of this will be Monday, and we are showing some light accumulation areas northwest of town. Now, this is an evolving forecast, so I want you to keep in mind that this could change, but a quick explainer when we're talking about freezing rain or sleet. So remember, at the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're talking, this is where you can think of 30 to 40,000 feet high, where an airplane would go. It'll be cold enough to support snow. But then in the mid layers, that's where temperatures are in the 40s, so it'll melt back to rain. And then as it falls a little bit closer to the surface, it could refreeze. So freezing rain or sleet looks highly likely. And that's also when we're talking about exposed pipes outside, all the home preparations. That's looking more likely for Monday. Monday is the day that you need to be prepared. So go ahead and make those preparations today or tomorrow, because high temperatures just continue to drop. By Tuesday morning, as the rain clears out after Monday, Tuesday morning, low temperatures are going to break some records. It's going to set up to be our coldest day, probably Tuesday. This morning, we're chilly even for our standards right now, right? 32 in College Station. We're at the freezing point now. 38 in Conroe. Temperatures in the 40s in town and 51 there in Galveston. But on and off showers today. On our 7-day forecast, there will be some changes, so you need to stay tuned every day. Continue to monitor these changes with our 7-day. But I do like to see that some of our models are being fairly consistent as far as the pattern that we're expecting over the big picture. So that means wet and chilly today. Temperatures drop with a slight chance for a few showers tomorrow. It's still going to be cold. It's still going to be damp. And then it's this weekend when that Arctic air really settles in. The best chance for your sleet, ice, that freezing rain will be Monday, with light snow accumulation potentially setting up areas northwest of town. Tuesday morning, that's your low temperature in town, 16 teens. That's what's down to. And then take a look by Wednesday. We're actually setting up with another system on the way. All right, more on that coming up in just a little bit.